Hello, and thank you for joining me today. Today, I'm going to show you how to join a meeting or program using the very popular Zoom video conferencing software. This software allows you to interact and to converse with others using video and sound as you would during a normal conversation. All that's needed is a good internet connection and a computer, tablet, or smartphone with enabled camera and microphone settings. You'll also need to download and install the Zoom app. You may first want to download and install Zoom on your laptop, smartphone, or tablet first. All you have to do is go to, if you're on a tablet or smartphone, just go to the App Store, search for Zoom, and download and install it as you would another app. On your computer, you can go to the Zoom website at www.zoom.com and then go to Resources at the top and click on Download Zoom Client. And it's just as easy as downloading any other application. Now, you can wait until you join a meeting in order to install the software because it will guide you through installing the software step by step, but it'll make it a longer and more involved process to join. So you may want to do this ahead of time as I've just demonstrated. Okay, now how do you join Zoom if you've never done so? Let's find out. The first thing you'll do is you'll go to your email, and usually before a meeting starts, you'll get an invitation email. In this case, I've got one that says invitation, test meeting, Wednesday, April 15th, 2020 from 10 to 11 a.m. And that's my invitation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into that email, and the first thing you'll want to do is let the host know whether you're going to attend or not. You've got three choices: yes, maybe, or no. If I choose yes, then in my Google Calendar, it'll automatically make a calendar entry for my test meeting. And at the date and time of that meeting, I can just simply click on the calendar entry and it'll show me it. You just go to Join Zoom Meeting and you'll be there. Now, if you decide not to rely on your calendar, but just to keep your email and go to your meeting using your email, you can do that as well. You just click on the email, and down here at the very bottom where it says Join Zoom Meeting, you just click on that link and it'll let you join. So that's what I'm going to do now. I've set my smartphone up as the host. It's hosting this meeting, and I'm going to join by clicking on the link here. Now, if I decided not to install the software, then it would guide me through setting it up. But I already have the software installed on my laptop, so it says Open Zoom Meetings. I'm going to click on Open Zoom Meetings, which is my app. And at this point, I should be connecting. Another thing it's asking me is if your audio does not work, you can always join by phone by dialing into this number and getting your audio that way. But if your computer works with audio, just click on Join with Computer Audio. Now, as you see, the image on the left is the host device, which is my smartphone. That's the host presenting the program. Now, I just joined the meeting under Eric, but you don't see any video. That's because at the very bottom of the Zoom app, the Start Video is actually disabled. So I'm going to click on Start Video in order to enable my video, and now I'm appearing. Hello! So this is how you join a Zoom meeting. It's very simple. If you don't like the layout of your Zoom screen, I'm going to make it a little larger here. You just go up to the very top under Speaker View and you can click on those settings. In this case, I'm at the very top, and you'll see other attendees at the top as well. And the presenter is in the main screen there. If you don't like that layout, just click on Gallery View and you can see them side by side. So this is just a little bit on how to use the Zoom application. When you're ready to leave the meeting, you simply click on the Leave Meeting button at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and choose Leave Meeting. And that's all there is to it. Well, thank you very much for joining me today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can email me any questions you have at emathis@sgrl.org, or you can go to our website at www.sgrl.org and click on the chat link. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you at future virtual meetings. Have a great day.